Hello guys, today we go to visit the castle named See Schloss Ort in the municipality of Gmunden in Upper Austria. We started our route in Abtenau, where we had our apartment, and we first go direction of Hallstatt. If you come from Salzburg, it is only 1 hour drive to the castle. Coming from Abtenau, we pass the Hallstatter See and go direction Bad Ischl. I have already posted a video about Hallstatt, the most wonderful village of Europe. This bridge crosses the Traun River. The Traun River goes to the Traun Sea. This river connects the Hallstatter See with the Traun Sea. From Bad Ischl we go right and we drive a few kilometers along the Traun River before we see the Lake Traun Sea. The nature here is gorgeous. This is now the Traun Sea. The Traun Sea is the second largest lake in Austria. The maximum length is 12 kilometers or 7.5 miles. It is a popular tourist destination. We are at the south end of the lake and we drive up to the north to Gmunden. Okay, we are now at the castle. We parked the car on a big parkplatz with the name Gmunden, Toscana. This parking is a 2-minute walk to the castle. Parking is free here. Schloss Ort is an elegant, small castle on a tiny island that can only be reached by this bridge or by boats. We will make a nice walk around this castle and enjoy the views of the lake and the greenery that surrounds it. Entrance is 5 euros for adults and free for children. We didn't go inside the castle because we had planned our boat trip on the Traun Sea today. Later in this video you will see some footage of that boat tour. The stroll around the castle walls is pleasant with the trees and flowers along the path. The amazing views that you get on the lake edge with the boats, the mountains and the villages between the nature makes you relaxed. This place is small, romantic and idyllic. If you are in Gmunden, you definitely should visit this place. The walk around the castle surprises you with some nice corners, viewpoints and greenery along the border of the island. On the south side they have a restaurant where you can enjoy a coffee or a beer with amazing views of the lake and the mountains. water of the Traunsee is very clean and clear. The nature is well preserved, and in Austria they don't throw any waste into the lakes. You won't find plastics or anything on the borders of the lake. And we like that, of course. We are now at the south side of the castle, where we passed the restaurant, a quiet area where you can enjoy mountains and the lake's views. From here we have nice views of the Landschloss-Ort, the castle that is connected via this bridge. On this emblem it says, the year 909 first documented mention of a moated castle. After the peasant wars, the castle was not rebuilt until 1634. We will now go for our boat trip on the Traunsee. If you are still here, then keep watching. You can see the castle from a whole other angle. For our boat tour we went to the town Gmunden. On the promenade we found a rental company to rent a boat for a few hours, and we immediately sailed in the direction of the castle. This small boat is an electric boat. The speed is not fast, but we can freely sail on the lake whatever direction we want. You just need to stay 100 meters from the bank of the lake. To see both castles from this angle is really a nice view with a bridge in between. From this location you can see that the towers show similarities, especially the pear-shaped roof. You can see that it started to rain, and luckily this boat has a shelter. I'm glad you stayed till the end of this video. If you're interested in more videos about the Lake Traunsee and other places in Austria, then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day.